Hi, I'm Lydia from Workflow Magic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically create project workspaces inside a portfolio in Monday.com without any manual steps. This is perfect for teams who receive project requests and want to quickly spin up new project boards using templates, all in a structured portfolio view. Let's walk through how to set it up. First, go to the board where requests are submitted. You want to set up an automation that triggers when a specific status changes, like a request is approved. That automation will create an item in the portfolio board. Now jump into your portfolio board. Here, you'll set a second automation. When a new item is created, generate a project from a template. This is where the magic happens. You'll choose the appropriate template and map any needed fields. You can trigger this automation when an item is created, or when the status changes, or when the item is assigned to someone. Once that's done, every approved project request will automatically become a structured portfolio item in its own workspace, templates, and taskboard, ready to go. It's fast, scalable, and saves your team from manual setup every time a new project is kicked off. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more Monday.com tips. And if you want help designing a system like this for your team, book a free discovery call with me today.